to Wig Studio One. Today we are going to do an awesome color close-up and we're going to talk about all four of the California Blondes by Jon Renau. The California Blondes were very, very popular when they launched last year in synthetic hair. This year in 2019, they launched these beautiful California Blondes in human hair. I'm showing you each of these California Blondes in human hair on these gorgeous wigs. If you want to see these particular wigs close up, you'll actually have to go on back and see the reviews here on Wig Studio One. The California Blonde collection ranges from really cool platinum tones to very warm goldeny tones. So we will look at all four of them. I actually have four wigs with me right now. The one that I have on right now is the coolest blonde in the mix, and this is Palm Springs. The code for Palm Springs is FS17101S18. For your reference, this wig you see here is Margot. We will also take a look at Jennifer in Venice Blonde, and Venice Blonde is 22F16S8. We will look at Malibu Blonde, which is 12FS12. And lastly, we will look at Laguna Blonde, which is FS24102S12. This is your warmest, most golden color in the mix. I actually want to talk about 12FS8. 12FS8 is a color that is not part of the Jon Renau California collection, but 12FS8 is a very, very popular color that is similar to one of the California Blondes. 12FS8 is shaded praline. Shaded praline has a number 8 root, and it is very, very similar to the Malibu Blonde, which is 12FS12. I have Malibu Blonde right here. Malibu Blonde has a number 12 root, and the reason why they decided to create Malibu Blonde is because there were some people that suggested this same beautiful color blend with a slightly softer and lighter root. Now with this lighter root, there is some more warmth. So you do have to take note of that. But with lighter rooting, some people feel that it is more natural looking. Shaded Praline 12FS8 and Malibu Blonde 12FS12 have the same color blend of 12, 24B, and 102. Your 12 on this beautiful shade serves as a low light, if you can see right here, where 24B is a blend of gold and blonde. 102 is a beautiful platinum light blonde that makes this gorgeous blend so pretty and dimensional. Now let's talk about Laguna Blonde. This is your warmest shade. This also has a root 12, which is the same rooting on your Malibu. So keep that in mind. Now this is your warmest, more golden color in the California Blondes. So Laguna Blonde is the code FS24102S12. You have this beautiful number 12 rooting, very natural looking, and it transitions into this very pretty honey and platinum blonde blend. You have this goldeny honey blonde in here mixed in with the platinum. Very, very pretty. So we were talking about 12FS8, which is shaded praline, which is not part of the California Blondes, but very, very closely related. I think that 12FS8 is like a sister. Anyway, 12FS8 has the number 8 root, which is also the same rooting that you see in Venice Blonde. This right here is Venice. Venice Blonde is also 22F16S8. Venice is your cool, sandy, creamy, beige blonde. Look at that, so gorgeous. She has your darkest root out of the California Blonde collection with the 8. with these creamy beige and sandy tones in this beautiful Venice Blonde. It's very similar to that of the 12 FS8. However, it doesn't have the platinum blonde that you see in the 12 FS8. Alright you guys, so this is Palm Springs, also known as FS17101S18. And the rooting is a lot softer because it is an 18 root. This is the coolest color in the California Blonde collection, like I expressed earlier. So this root is definitely softer and lighter than all the other rooting in all the other colors in the Jon Renau collection. Palm Springs has your very extra cool and platinum tones. Very beautiful and icy. All 4 colors in the California Blonde collection are so beautiful, and they are lovely in human hair and very, very pretty in synthetic. Just take note that in human hair, the colors will look a little bit warmer. So if you have a blonde in this collection that you adore in synthetic, just remember that if you go and order it in human hair, it might have a little bit more of a warmer tone. I hope this color comparison helped you guys understand these 4 shades a little bit better and helped you guys view these beautiful colors a little bit closer and a little bit more in depth. What blonde is your favorite? Let us know. Comment below. What's your opinion on these beautiful California blondes? Even if you are not a blonde hair wearer, what one do you feel like is the most beautiful out of the collection? Let us know. All right, you guys, until the next color close-up, we will see you later. Bye.